How to add background music in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using CapCut in your PC and if you're wondering how you can easily add a background music, here's what you need to do. So first just open up any of your draft videos, or you can also insert a new video. And let's say I want to insert a background music to this particular video. So in that case, what I'll be doing is simply click on this audio from the navigation bar from the top left section, and here you can also download all of the music online. Just make sure you have connected to your internet and you have internet access, so you can basically download any of the music. We can also even search for songs and artists over here by directly heading over to this source section. And as you can see, I can simply search in for that particular artist song just like this and even download that as well. So you can also highlight or bookmark that particular song, and once you're satisfied you can simply drag to your particular video and simply trim the music from a video up to how long you want the video or music to be. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.